What the fat is happening, you guys? Previously, in my other vlogs, I've shared all about us moving, and this is our house completely empty. It's so sad and nostalgic, but on to better times!
Whisk, wala tayong whisk. Wala tayong whisk.
Wala. This is day 1 of shopping for our homeware. We had to get kitchenware and other things. I would love to share more on it on a home haul. During shopping, we found tons of good and affordable stores. It was definitely tiring, but also fun to be building and completing our first home together. Online 779.75 lang dito sale. Super cute. Matte pa yung color niya na parang brown. Super cute. We even found a good deal on a truck set that we bought to keep our son busy while we were working on fixing up the house. This is the first meal we've ever had out since the lockdown. I definitely miss it. Day 2 is more on shopping since we can't exactly finish everything in a day since we have to get home to the youngster for his nighttime routines. We also picked up my super pretty fan. We desperately needed another one while unpacking at home. Day 3 was a pretty big day for us since we wanted to get it all done already, or at least most of it. We went to check out the Western outlet store to cross-check pricing.
Find my way back home. I've been trying to find my way back home. And Lord, just give me a sign, 'cause I've been fighting with my soul. I know I'll get better. I know I'll get better.
Ang cute naman yan, pang skirt. Our next stop was HMR Cubao to check for a couch. There were a lot of good quality and branded items there, but there wasn't a couch that matched our aesthetic.
I know I'll get better. Just give me some time. I know I'll get better. Just give me some time. I've been losing my mind every time that I'm out of bed. And do I know that I'm down?
We headed off to Mandaue Foam since there's a lot more choices there, plus we can have our couch made to our liking, and it's also affordable there too.
I know I'll get better. Just give me some time. I've been trying to find.
Miss na inis ka na ba?
Init lang. Hindi mo ako na
I've been trying to find my way back home. And Lord,
There was a bit of a line, but we did find the couch we wanted. We had to pick the color and fabric from their swatches, then had to wait for almost a month for it to be made.
I know I'll get better. Just give me some time.
I really wanted this mirror, and I really regret that I didn't get it because it's so cheap.
Just give me some time. I know I'll get better. Just give me some time. I've been losing my mind every time that I'm out of bed. And do I know that I'm down, or am I convinced in my own head? I know I'll get better. I know I'll get better. Just give me some time. I'll get better. I know I'll get better. Just give me some time.
Our last stop was at the mall to grab some food, then head home sweet home. Ay, sus! Thanks for watching, and more to come!
I know I'll get better. Just give me some time.